Leaders of the Birnihat Sports Association BSA conducted an inspection of the Loam Nongrim Sports Ground in Birnihat today to evaluate the ongoing renovation. The inspection comes in light of the suspension of sporting activities for local youth caused by delays in completing the stadium. The stadium's foundation was laid in March 2022 with 5.7 crore funding from the State Sports Council. Wan Prang Lingdo BSA General Secretary emphasized the stadium's importance for young athletes and praised Sosthenes Sotun, MLA and BSA President for his efforts in sports development.
Hangne manusia kalong madan patjudon reka hukum ke galeri neka stadium ba gimyo song aram te mentangi layo kane bor khoi kade ka daw na kabun jong I presiden jongi ba Sosthenes Sotun but ideru UMLA jong ka than jongi hangna po jirang konsumsi kajing angnut kajing ko snew jongi kinong song borni laki pho snem kala awan urlong mentasin te yang dai na kata daw nga ay kublay sibun nakaliang ka Birnihat Sports Association jongi pat nakaliang ka sunong Birnihat jongiro.
And now for the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in